What's going on, guys? We are back once again with another renovation opportunity that we've actually found for our clients. And today we're in the Meadows. We've got a very exciting opportunity. And with me is Chris, once again.
Good morning, how are you?
My right-hand man.
Good, brother.
Okay, so Chris, let's explain what we've done.
I mean, this is what we do every day, right? We go try to source properties, find the most rundown property with motivated sellers so we can get the best deal for our investors. Then we call in the design team and the goons to get things done.
Yep.
And we just turn things from what you're about to see now into something turnkey, ready for your family to move into. So we're gonna take you through today and we're gonna share this new exciting opportunity with you. So without further ado, let's go. Let's go, brother.
My God, this has definitely got to go. Well, guys, I wanted to take you through the whole process and I wanted to introduce you to our team. You're probably wondering, well, what happens next when we purchase the property? We have Fadi. Fadi is our architectural designer. So thank you for coming along today.
You're welcome.
So Fadi's obviously worked with me on many projects and we intend to do a lot with this house. You see potential, right?
Definitely. The thing is, because we're working usually on flipping properties,
Yeah.
so the thing is we have like a very good potential and we're looking at it for now, and as you see, like,
There's a lot that needs to be done, right?
definitely.
So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to actually take a walk throughout the house and we're going to see what we can do again, as you've seen on previous videos. And I'm also going to introduce you to our contractor so we can actually start getting stuck into it and you can sort of meet the team and sort of see the inside and behind the scenes of what goes into a project like this. So throughout all of these videos that I'm creating, I want to share with you the journey, just to show you what the potential is in Dubai, because there's a lot of people that are considering it and there's a lot of people that want to do it, but maybe they're a bit skeptical about it. But as you can see, you know, this is a prime location. Meadows is one of the best locations considered in Dubai, you know, and you know, when you take a standalone villa like this, it's so easy to transform. And like I said, we bring our team in. So actually as we make our way through, we've got Fadi, Chris, and also Dylan. So if you follow me again, as you can see, we take the most rundown villas, the villas that have the most potential. And what we do, we transform them into masterpieces. You know, because there's no good utilization of space in any of the old designed villas. And of course, you know, when we make our way through the kitchen, as you can see, I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Who would want to, like, you know, a lot of these are all standard villas that have been on the market or, you know, been built for the last 10, 15 years, you know, so there's a lot of work that needs to go into them. So this is how we start this process, and it's very exciting and I'm very happy to share this with you. So Chris, what's next?
Next, we need to execute. So obviously we have Fadi here, we have Dylan. We've already met with the client yesterday. They're going to appoint both of them as part of our team. I think Fadi has a good, you know, combined between him, myself, and Dylan, they have a good idea of how to utilize the space within the house, make it a little more open concept, utilize the colors. Obviously, we took you guys to another upgraded house, which we're not going to show, but we're going to basically do something very similar to that. Now this house will come to the market for around 11 million. It will come fully furnished, fully fitted out, completely different than anything that you've ever seen in the Meadows. And we are going to be using a high spec. You're going to have Joe throughout the entire process showing you from A to Z what it takes to actually do a project that's turnkey, that people actually want to buy and create true value for our investors and the end users alike.
Yeah, for sure. And a lot of people ask me this, they say, oh, should we leave it unfurnished or furnished? And we know the question to that, it sometimes depends, maybe it's a really small project, it's not 100% necessary to buy the furniture, maybe you can stage it. But in this scenario, the type of people that want to buy this, they're the types of people that don't want to renovate themselves, right?
Look, I think we're talking about close to $3 million house, right? So somebody wants to be able to come in, understand the space. I think most people don't have a good enough imagination where they can walk in to the living room, dining room, bedroom, and understand what they can do. So we just want to take that away. That's why we're doing turnkey projects. This is good for end users, investors, And again, I'm really excited. I'm sure you are too, to see this house come
100%.
together.
I think I'm most excited about the fact that we're actually, you know, it's not just all about the money. We're actually providing people with spectacular family homes, stuff that they don't see on the market, with high quality, not cheap contracting, you know, not cheap products.
Yeah.
That's the main thing, right? So we're actually providing a solution to people that want that as well. And of course, you know, for the investors, they'll make money.